Emu. The emu is the second largest bird in the world after the ostrich birds. It has strong legs and can run very fast. It can also swim well. Emu is omnivorous, which means they eat plants and animals. It likes to eat things like insects, lizards, flowers, nuts, and seeds. It swallows small stones to help them fall grind up its food. Not many animals hunt emus because it is so big and can run so fast. Emu lives in woodlands, grasslands, and forests. Thank you. Tarantula. The tarantula is an insect. It is the largest spider in the world. Its body is oval in shape. It does not have a backbone. It has 8 legs. Its legs are long. Its head is small. It is slow and deliberate movers. Its diet consists mostly of insects like grasshoppers and crickets. On occasion, it can also eat small mammals. It lives in burrows of land and around warm area in the world. It can be seen almost in the jungles. It is also found in the field. The people can take the tarantula to make the food to eat. Thank you. The spider is a small insect. Its body is oval in shape. Male spiders are usually smaller than female spiders. It does not have a backbone. It has 8 legs. Its legs are very long. Its head is small. It has more than 2 eyes. Spider eats small insects. It makes a strong web and lives on that web. It catches insects in it. It can even catch big insects in its web and become its food. It does not swallow or chew its food. It drinks it after converting to liquid form. It can be seen in our houses. It is also found in jungles. Some spiders are very dangerous and poisonous. It can kill us with its poison. Thank you. Rat. The rat is a very small animal. Its mouth is pointed. Its eyes are small. It has a long tail, 2 ears, 4 small legs, and 4 teeth. It is a very active animal. It is seen in our house or the field. The domestic rat is small, but wild rats are big. It moves very fast. It makes a mild sound. It is most active at night. It runs around here and there. It eats grains, seeds, and rice. It also gnaws our clothes. People always put traps to catch it. If it enters into grain stores, it will cause a hard loss. It always damages standing crop also. Thank you. Ox. The ox is a pet animal. It is a male of cow. It is found almost apart in the world. It is a 4-footed animal. Its body is large. Its eyes are big. Its ears and mouth are long. Its horns are long and pointed. The angry ox can attack with its horns. Its tail is long and hairy. The ox eats grasses, leaves, and fodder. This animal is very useful in farming. It can plow the field. It also stretches grains. It is used to carry heavy loads. It also pulls the carts. The ox is a very strong animal. It can do a lot of hard work. We can see it in the village. Turtle. The turtle is an aquatic animal. It spends more time on land than water. Its small body is covered with hard cells. It has 4 small feet. Its head and mouth are short. Its eyes are small. Its sense of smell is strong. Its sense of touch and hearing are also good. Its neck is long. It moves very slowly. It hides its neck in its shell when in danger. It eats aquatic grasses and weeds. It also eats fruits. There are more species of turtle. Turtles can live without food for a long time. The female turtle lays eggs. It digs the ground to lay eggs. It is for the safety of the eggs. It is quite an animal. Its life is very long. Thank you. The horse is a 4-footed animal. It is white, black, or brown in colors. Its eyes are big. It has 2 ears. Its mouth is long. Its tail is long, hairy, and smooth. It eats green grasses, fodder, straw, and leaves. It also eats gram. Its legs are thin but strong. It pulls carts and carries loads. It is used as a means of transport. It runs very fast. It runs in races. It is also used in games like polo. It is a faithful animal. It is very obedient. It can be easy to train. In accident times, it was used in battles. The male horse is called Stolen, and the female is called Mare. Thank you. The ant is a very small insect. It is black and red color. Some ants are very small. Some ants are bigger. Its body is divided into 3 parts. Its head is small and round. It has 2 eyes and 2 antennas. It has 6 legs. It eats grains and nectar. It is found everywhere, It moves in a line. It is very hardworking. It lives in ants. It bites when disturbed. Big ants bite very hard. Ants have a strong power of smell. It can be easily found in places where swifts are kept. It is always busy collecting food. It collects food during the summer season. It lives in the entrail during winter. The female ant lay eggs. Ants are innocent creatures. Thank you. The rhinoceros is a big wild animal. It is a herbivorous animal. It is found in many parts of Africa and Asia. It lives in the jungle. It is gray or black in color. Its body is strong. Its skin is very rough. It has 4 feet. Its tail is short. Its head is big. Its eyesight is poor. Its mouth is large. Its sense of smell is strong. There is 1 horn on its nose. Its horn is very precious. Its horn is used for making medicines. It eats plants and grass. It likes to be lying in muddy water. Hunters kill rhinoceroses for their horns. It should be stopped. Thank you. Iguana. The iguana is a lizard family. It can be colored like green, gray, or brown. Iguana can be up to 6 long feet. It has sharp claws that help them to climb. It is iguanas cold-blooded, so it likes to live in warm places like rainforests. Most iguanas are herbivorous, which means they only eat plants. They like to eat leaves, algae, and fruits. They have to stay away from animals that may try to eat them, like hawks. The iguanas live in the wild, but people also have them as pets. Iguanas are among the world's most dangerous animals. Thank you. The pig is omnivore, which means they eat both plants and meat. The pig has short legs and a curly tail. Pigs can mix colors such as brown, pink, or black. Its eyes are small and its ears are long. The pig has a great sense of smell and its nose to help them to find the food. Pigs eat things like leaves, roots, and worms. Pigs that live at the farms eat corn and soybeans. The pig is a very smart animal. Pigs are extremely social animals. The baby pig is called a piglet. Some people think pigs are even smarter than dogs. They regulate their body temperatures by rolling in the mud. Thank you. 'Porcupine'. The porcupine is considered an herbivore animal because it only eats plants. It loves climbing trees. The porcupines are rodents with sharp spines called quills. It has hundreds of quills on its back. It has 4 legs and a tail. It is bound with soft, bendable quills that begin to harden within a few days after it is bound. It has poor eyesight but has a good hearing power. In the wild, it can live as old as 15 years. The quills are stiff hairs about 7.5 cm long that acts as armor to protect the porcupine. Many people believe that porcupine can shoot their quills, but this is not true. Thank you. The barn owl is a nocturnal bird. It has brown, gray, white, and orange in colors. It has small stiff features around the edge of the facial disc. It has 2 legs, 2 big wings, a light body, and all soft features have to fly very quietly. It has round head, flat face, and light eyes. It has 1 talon, has a comb used to groom the facial disc. It has long toes, sharp talons, and powerful feet for catching prey. It has very good eyesight and hearing. It hunts and eats small animals like rats and frogs at night. It lives in the hole of trees. Thank you. Tawny Owl. The tawny owl is a nocturnal bird. It is a bird of the owl family. It has brown, gray, and white in color. It has small stiff features around edge of the facial disc. It has 2 legs and 2 wings. It has round head, flat face, and large black eyes. It has 1 talon and a comb used to groom the facial disc. It has long toes, sharp talons, and powerful feet for catching prey. It has good eyesight and hearing. It hunts and eats small animals like rats and frogs at night. It lives in the hole of trees. Thank you. Tailorbird. The tailorbird is a small bird. It is native to Asia. The wings of the tailorbird are rounded and short. It has 2 long legs. The tail of the tailorbird is long and pointing upwards. Tailorbird has a sharp beak. The nest of a tailorbird is attractive and unique. Tailorbird is the ability to sew leaves together and create a nest. Tailorbird uses its sharp bill as a needle to twitch leaves. It uses plants, fiber or silk, even household thread to twitch leaves. The nest of a tailorbird looks like a deep cup. Thank you. Whale. The whale is an aquatic animal. It is mammals that live in the ocean. It is a long streamlined body, a wide head, hard flippers, a powerful tail, and a small dorsal fin. Some whales has teeth to help them to eat. Some have baleen instead of teeth. It eats fish and sea creatures like krill, seal, and plants. Whales breathe air through their blowholes. The blue whale is the biggest animal on the earth. There are different types of whales. Whales are the biggest animal in the ocean. Whales are the largest animals in the world. Thank you. Reindeer. The reindeer is a mammal of the deer family along with moose and elk. It is also called caribou. It lives in the far northern regions of North Africa, Europe, and Asia. It has a thicker body and shorter legs. It has thick coats of brown, gray, or whitish fur. Its feet have wide hooves. All reindeer grow pair of antlers. They live together in herds. Reindeer eat grasses and other plants. People raise reindeer for its meat, meal, and skin. It also uses reindeer to pull sleds over the snow. Reindeer breed in autumn. The female reindeers usually give birth to one baby at a time. Thank you. Bull. The bull is a pet animal. It is found in almost all the farmers' homes. It has 4 legs, a long tail, 2 big ears, and 2 eyes. Its eyes glow in the dark. The bull has 2 horns on its head, with the half of which protect itself from other animals. People feed this animal for matching with other bulls. It is found in many colors like black, white, etc. It is the male of the cow. Bull eats grass, straw, and fodder, etc. Thank you. Seagull. The seagull is a bird of the gull family that is found near coastal region. Its body is white, its wings are gray, and its beak is yellow. The seagull is omnivore and feeds on a variety of food, including fish, crustaceans, insects, and garbage. The seagull mate for life and build nests on the ground or cliffs. Seagull is known for its noisy and scavenging behavior. Seagull plays an important role in maintaining the balance of coastal ecosystem by controlling population of small animals. It is also a popular bird for wildlife watching and birding. Thank you. Doe. The doe is a beautiful bird. It is light gray with short legs and a short beak. It is very friendly and a good companion. It eats fruits, berries, seeds, and grains. In the morning, it makes the very pleasant sound of cuckoo, which is cool and refreshing. It has a vast space where it keeps on moving freely. It is a graceful bird and keeps on chirping. But as it becomes famous, it moves on disorder too and affection. Overall, it is a lovely looking bird. In some cultures, they are symbols of love, purity, peace, and hope. Thank you. Myna. The Myna birds are small and stocky birds. They are very active and vocal birds. Myna has a dark brown body with a dark head and throat. The bill and legs are bright yellow. Their eyes are encircled with bare yellow skin. The underside of the wings has white patches. It is very common in urban areas where it inhabits parks, gardens, etc. They build nests in the cavities of trees, buildings, or cliffs. They eat fruits, vegetables, and small insects. They can mimic the human voice. Thank you. Crab. The crabs are very old creatures. They greatly vary in size. They live in salty or fresh water. Crabs are also known as decapods because they have 10 legs. They have an external skeleton called a shell. Crabs have eyes on the stalks. They walk and swim sideways. They communicate by sound. Hawks. Hawks are birds of prey found in many parts of the world. Hawks have 2 legs, 2 wings, sharp talons, a hook's beak, and keen eyesight. Hawks feed on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Hawks mate for life and build nests made of sticks and twigs. Hawks are sometimes used for hunting and sport, and some species are trained for falconry. Hawks have been used as symbols of power, freedom, and vision in many cultures. Pelican. The pelicans are large water birds found near coastlines and in shallow wetlands. They are known for deer-like bills and distinctive appearance. Pelicans feed on fish, which they catch by diving into the water from the air. They mate for life and build large nests on the ground or in trees. They are social birds and live in large colonies. Some species of pelicans are migratory and fly long distance between their breeding and wintering grounds. Pelicans are also popular birds for wildlife watching and birding. Thank you. Oyster. Oysters are small mollusks. Oysters eat phytoplankton or small bits of algae suspended in the water. Oysters are filter feeders, throwing water into their bodies and removing tiny phytoplankton. This benefits aquatic vegetation, which depends on light to carry out photosynthesis. Oysters are a great source of nutrients like zinc and potassium. They can be an excellent choice at restaurants or at home. They work well in pasta, soup, and stews, marinated on the grill, and much more. Thank you. Snail is a type of insect. It can be found in fresh water, the sea, and the ground, etc. It has a soft, unsegmented body that is long, moist, and slimy. The snail's body has a head, a neck, a visceral hump, a tail, and a foot. The body is normally protected by a hard shell. Shells can be rounded, flat, pointed, or spiral. It quickly retreats into the shell in the case of danger. Eyes are located on top of the long tentacles. They eat plants, algae, chalk, limestone, etc. Snails are the slowest animals on the planet. Thank you. Stork. Storks are large, long-legged birds found in many parts of the world. Most storks eat frogs, fishes, shellfish, insects, earthworms, small birds, and small mammals. Some storks are scavengers. The stork is almost voiceless and largely silent, although it does communicate with brief hissing noises and, most importantly, bill clattering. They may build large nests on tall trees or on the ground. The female lays between 3 to 5 eggs. The eggs incubation period lasts 25 and 35 days. Thank you. woodpecker. The woodpeckers are small birds. Most woodpeckers live in forests. They are known for their strong, chisel-like beaks and ability to peek into trees. Woodpeckers feed on insects and small animals found inside trees. They are found in a variety of colors and patterns. They are often black and white with patches of red or yellow on the head. They have very strong pointed beaks. They use their bill to tap holes in tree bark. It has 4 toes, and these have them hung onto tree branches. They also have stiffened features over the nostrils. The long sticky tongue helps them trap insects. Thank you. Kangaroo. The kangaroos are wild animals. They move from place to place by jumping. They have short front legs and powerful long back legs. It has a long strong tail. It has a soft, woolly fur. Kangaroos are fast movers. Kangaroos is a mammal. Mother of kangaroos have special pouches on the front of their body. They carry their young in a pouch. Thank you. Sharks are carnivorous animals, and they eat fishes, aquatic animals, and other living creatures of the sea, and sometimes attack human beings also. The colors of sharks may range from dark blue to gray or brown with a white belly. Sharks have long, slim, and straight bodies which help them to swim fast and go deep inside the water. The shark has 2 powerful tail fins which look like the wings. Sharks has big jaws which contain lots of sharp pointed teeth, due to which the shark catches its prey easily. Thank you. Gorilla. The gorilla is a herbivorous animal. Gorillas drink less water. It replenishes water by eating fruits and vegetables. Gorilla belongs to the category of F, but it is a primate and it has no tail. A gorilla has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 nose. The front 2 legs of the gorilla are larger than the back legs. Gorilla use its front legs as hands. Gorilla is considered a close relative of humans. It mostly found in Cameroon, Central Africa, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Africa. Thank you. Crocodile. The crocodile is an aquatic animal. It is a reptile. It lives in the rivers and lakes. Its body is lizard-shaped. Its head is narrow and long. Its body is long. It has 4 feet. Its feet are small. Its tail is long. Its skin is very rough. Its big eyes are in the front of its head. It has no tongue. Its night vision is strong. Its mouth is large and long. Its jaw can open wide. It has sharp teeth. Its senses are strong. It is carnivorous. It hunts other animals. It eats reptiles, birds, and fishes. It can live without food for a long time. The female crocodile lays eggs. It is a dangerous animal. Thank you. Cuckoo. The cuckoo is an omnivorous bird. It is black in color. It has 2 short legs, 2 red eyes, and a long tail. Its beak is short and downward curving. The voice of cuckoo is sweet and melodious. It eats fruits, insects, worms, and grasshoppers. The cuckoo is a very clever and beautiful bird. It is a bird that lays its eggs in the nest of another bird. It appears in spring and summer. The herd becomes happy after listening to the sweet voice of cuckoo. chicken. The chicken is a medium-sized common bird. It is a pet bird. Its feet are short. Its body is broad. Its eyes are small. Its beak is small and pointed. It cannot fly for a long distance. Chicken eats grains and small insects. It also eats fruits, vegetables, and seeds. It is rare for eggs and meat. Its eggs are good for her. Many dishes can be prepared with its eggs. It lives in a group. Female chicken is called hen, and male chicken is called rooster. The rooster wakes up quite early in the morning. It crows loudly. Crane. The crane is an omnivorous bird. It is a tall bird with long legs, a neck, and a long beak. It is generally brown, gray, or white in color, and around its head is red color. It lives near the wetlands. It is a powerful flier. It has a sharp beak and a pointed beak. It uses the beak for catching the food. It feeds on both plants and animals. It usually builds its nest in nesty area. It highly social birds that live in large flocks. Cranes are found all over the world. Thank you. The bat is the only mammal that can fly. Its body is covered head to toe in fur. The bat is omnivorous animal in nature, and its that includes insects, frogs, fish, and fruits. Bat sleeps during the daytime and very active at night. The bat has 2 wings and 2 legs. The bat is a bird. The bat can find the food in darkness. The bat usually lives in the cows or trees. The baby bat is called pup. The bat is found all over the world except the North and South Poles. Thank you.